Alright, so my dad's walking away like a douche. Zimmer's still here. I just want to see if any new quests have opened up here, or if maybe anything I've done has affected the people here, or I definitely need to buy more ammo. I think that's my goal here, to buy ammo. What the fuck are you?
I'm unsure how useful I will be at this purity project, but I'm happy to do whatever I can to help Dr. Lee.
Shut up. Alright, hold on. Someone told me how to find the evidence, but I need to find the...
Some people are in such a hurry.
Let's see. I need to find the marketplace first. Oh, this is it. Oh, it's... Wait a minute. What time of the day is it right now? It's 8 a.m.? Let's go 5 hours. It's open now, so let's see. Sister's hotel door, no.
Tamper with that, we're going to have a problem.
Who the fuck am I supposed to break into? I forgot his name. Hotel room, very hard.
Welcome to Rivet City Supply.
Shut up.
I've got a little bit of everything here. You don't look so tough.
Well, welcome to the Weatherly Hotel. I'm your hostess, Vera Weatherly.
Oh, she actually owns it, huh?
Well, I really shouldn't tell you, but have you heard about Paulie Cantelli? He's addicted to chems. His poor wife Cindy is at her wit's end.
I know about that.
They say Mr. Lopez is losing it. He stands on the top of the bridge tower for hours at a time, just staring out over the city.
Sir, shut up. I couldn't fucking destroy that robot in 2 seconds.
Good to see you.
Black and shrapnel's door. Dead end. Guess I should go to... What the fuck? I should go to the marketplace. What the hell's that noise? They have some shit going on in there.
Good to see you. They call me sister. Don't ask.
What the fuck?
Are you making fun of my name? It's a damn good thing for you. This place is crawling with security.
Hey, you bitch. Sound like a bitch. Alright, let me go to the market and try to figure this out. I know there's a room I'm supposed to go in and find evidence, and I cannot remember where the fuck it is. It's been over a week and a half, that's why.
Yes?
Yes. Shut up. Might be right here, let's see. Let's see. Yep, this is it. Someone told me the evidence is at the foot of his bed. Holotape. There it is! I already have a copy of this holotape? What the fuck? Where is it? I'm trying to get this tape to what's-his-face. Apparently I already found it and didn't give it to him. Huh.
Hey, stranger.
Uh-oh.
Want to buy a girl a drink?
It's her again.
Buy a girl a drink, sailor? Now that...
I always buy her a drink. She doesn't do jack shit for me.
Welcome to Potomac Attire.
What the fuck? I found the tape and I can't give it to him. Oh wow, this is gonna... 69 caps to fucking repair this thing? Damn. Damage is only +2, but condition's up. I'll do that. Alright.
Nice to see you again.
Let's see.
Made your mind up yet?
I can't do anything for her.
One of these...
That sucks. Alright, well she's married because of me. What does she have to say?
Welcome to Gary's Galley. Can I take your order?
Nothing at all. Wow. I did that fucking quest for nothing.
Take a look around.
Well, unfortunately, I can't use many of these rounds at all. 32 caliber I can use. There we go. Nothing else though, right? Oh, wait a minute, I can sell some stuff, I just realized. No. I got a bunch of cigarettes, right? Pack of cigarettes, here we go. What else? Carton of cigarettes, there we go. I definitely don't need cigarettes in this game. Fuck them. What am I gonna do with cigarettes? Pre-war money. Cool. Alright. I got a lot of money now. Yeah, thanks. Shut up.
Let me or a security officer know if you see anything out of the ordinary.
They call me Shrapnel. I run this place. Got the best.
Yeah.
Thanks. Which?
I need some of this ammo. There we go. 1 per shot. That sucks, man. 1 bottle cap per bullet is bullshit. Three per... Oh my god. It's only got a value of 2, and he's charging me 3. Fucker. Hunting rifle. Nope, don't want any of that. Wow, mini nukes are expensive and I found some. That's pretty cool. He's got 2 sawed-off shotguns. Shotgun shells 3? What the fuck, man? I'll buy 20. Oh my god, 33 for a stim pack. I'll just find them. What else? I do need 10mm rounds. I'll buy 50. Okay, that's all I'm doing.
Give me a shout if you need anything in.
Can you repair anything? Repair the laser pistol. Wow. For no reason whatsoever. Nah, that's shitty. Oh, wow. Oh my god. That doesn't even increase damage. Fuck you. Bullshit. You suck. So I guess I really can't do anything with the quests in here. Ugh.